up, get out of the way, dick.
There you go.
Yep. Alright guys. We got a few parts stacked up here. A few more on the way. BTR stage 4 cam. Speed engineering headers, next pipe. All the gaskets and stuff we're gonna need along the way here. Lifter trays, head gaskets, intake manifold on the way, and we're sending these heads out to get boarded as soon as they're off. So, oh yeah, big stuff coming. What's the game plan?
I don't know.
What is the game plan? What's the first thing here? We're looking at a big, you know?
Just getting it torn down. Everything in front here, it's gotta go.
Mike, what are you trying to do?
Trying to get this tab off right here. If you get a little zoom in, you can see way down here. You see his finger in there, that little tab. We're trying to get that tab off. I'm trying to break it, but can't really get the leverage right now, so. Is there fucking Q-tips in your engine bay? Get a camera on that shit ASAP. Look down in there. Bullshit. Fucking disgusting. Oh, it's fucked in there. Whoever owned this car before us, shame on you.
That's gross.
Well, not before us, before you actually. Usually I'm not wearing a headpiece, but it's a little bit cold today, so.
Yeah, that's why you got a t-shirt on, huh?
That's it. You get Jay the wrench to work on your car, it leaves your fucking parts all over the place.
So what?
Fuck that. Fuck this.
I have the electric ratchet literally in the car in the fucking driveway, so I don't know what we're
Go
doing.
get that!
What are we doing?
Go get the electric one.
Vein show? That's for another
Holy
platform,
shit,
guys.
check that.
That's for the Patreon.
Holy shit.
Here's something, doesn't sound as fast as our cars though. Well, I wasn't gonna get the tool out of this fine automobile right here. Fuck, wrong side. That's what we want right there.
What the fuck happened?
Oh shit. Never heard so much crying from a couple of mechanics. Fucking soft hands, guys.
This isn't even it. This is just us getting to the fucking clip.
Here we go.
Just to get some more space here. All this shit, basically trying to get to the cam eventually. So
you got
everything here has to come out. Got a big boy fucking oil still here.
a whole lot of work you're doing, huh?
Yeah, man. Should be perfect, guys. I'm doing some pretty stupid math here, looking at these new spacers. Once these are on, fitment's not a problem anymore. Might be a problem for you guys trying to get as good fitment as me, though. Fucking idiots. Charge them up then, buddy. Charge what up? The fucking shop tools. They're fucking dead. Well, I'll charge them up. Well, I don't know what the fucking charger is. Stop being a jackass. Fucking jerk off. Hey! Add up this side pile. This guy's gonna lose parts, man. He puts parts all over the fucking place. He's gonna lose this shit.
It's all in my head.
Yeah.
We need the shop tools. The shop lights.
Yeah, there's one right there hanging out the fucking thing. Test it out. Hey, asshole, the fucking thing's dead. Fucked. Bullshit. Who the fuck put chateaus in this fucking shop tool? Holy shit. Time to up the fucking budget on shop tools, guys. Can't be doing fucking chateaus.
Corroded as shit. Who's the foreman of this shop?
This guy. Fuck you guys.
Oh, what do you know? I'm staring down a completely broken fucking rad support right now. Check it out. Fuck off. Hey, listen to that. It's a Corvette out there. Listen.
He's not lying.
Rad support's cracked. Not what you want to see. I guess we're gonna have everything off the front anyways, pretty much, so it would be the best time to change it, but
That smells like shit.
Oh shit. Gotta get this coolant out of here, guys. Fuck off. Suck my dick. Fuck off.
Alright guys, making some progress here. Got the rad out. Pretty much everything in front here, just other than this condenser that's gonna stay in. But next thing, probably gotta go after the steering rack. Probably the worst part of this whole job. Has to be done. So it's a nightmare. Quit the channel. Honestly, I was gonna take these fucking exhaust manifolds off, but it's way too late to run the air compressor, and the bolts are too fucking seized. Day 2, the heads off, get them boxed up, send them out, get the work done, ported. Typical fix for the LS7.
Oh fuck. That's that talking right there.
Shit, LS7.
Everyone knows about the whole valve issue, so getting that addressed first thing and get this thing ready to go.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video here.
Got the M4, of course, competition. Couple electric dirt bikes, whatever. Boom. C5. C8 tucked away.
It's hiding over there.
How much me here? You know, some people like to come down the street a little bit quick because they see the cars in the driveway. Guys, we like cars, but if you're gonna come flying down the street here in a 07 C300, none of that garbage on the street. We don't want to see that. Coming up, we got some pretty good work done today, so you know, made some decent progress. Maybe we're gonna get in between videos here. We're gonna get a little update on that as well, but main concern is the Z06 right now. So part 2 coming soon, guys. So look forward to that.